Hi again, this is Buford Bigglesworth with Choose Renewables.com's Tip of the Week. This week we're talking about high efficiency shower heads. High efficiency shower heads save you up to 38% on your water usage, and you save on the energy associated with heating that water. Now let's take a look at the package sent to us by the good folks at Choose Renewables.com. We got the Allison's high efficiency shower head, and for good measure, they sent us some Teflon tape in there for free. Now we're going to show you how to change out the old standard shower head for the new high efficiency shower head. First thing you have to do is you have to take off the old shower head. Careful, she bites a little. Yeah, that was in the grill. After you get a little ways with a wrench, you can really just turn it with your hand. Careful! You may actually drop it. This is the old shower head. What we're going to put on there now is the high efficiency shower head. But first, what we have to do is we have to take the Teflon tape and put it on the thread so it's a nice tight connection. Now that that's on, we're actually going to now go ahead and install our high efficiency shower head. It gets tricky at first because you really have to start with your hand and then move to the wrench. Careful, she's a fighter. Don't make me get the axe. There she goes. Yep. There we are. There, look at that. So what I do here is you gotta take out your wrench. Left on the counter. Let go of it. And just make sure you tighten it a little. Yep, there she is. Perfect. Maybe next time I'll try this while turning the water off. For Buford Bigglesworth, this is ChooseRenewables.com. Pay attention soon for your next tip of the week. Hello? Housekeeping? Gotta come out now.
Whenever you're ready.
One more try. I'm stuck. Okay, I think I'm ready now. Stop laughing. This week, we're talking about high efficiency shower heads. Hi again, this is Buford Bigglesworth. I'm BufordBigglesworth.com, huh?
So good.
I hate myself. We should have gone over the name earlier. I need a new director. This week, we're talking about high efficiency water head. Oh, man. I got a plan to catch.